Hi everyone. In the previous video, we installed Windows Server 2022 on Hyper-V. Today we will enable remote desktop service in Windows Server 2022. Then we will test the remote connection. Let's get started right now without wasting any time. The features we want to add in Windows Server 2022 are in the Server Manager. From the Server Manager settings, we click on the Add Roles and Features tab. We continue with the option of installation type role-based or feature-based. We take note of the IP address that appears in the server pool and proceed with the server selected. From the server roles, we choose Remote Desktop Service and proceed. We add connection broker, gateway, licensing, session host features from remote desktop service roles. We pass without making changes to the role services. We start the installation by clicking the Install button. After restarting the system, all services are active and our remote desktop connection is ready. We enter the IP address to start the remote desktop connection. After entering the username and password, our remote desktop connection is successful. If the remote device is within the same network and using the same network configuration, we connect without difficulty. If the devices are on a different network, we will need to make other settings, like the modem allowing external connections. And it is necessary to assign an IP to the device with a static IP. Thank you for watching the video I prepared on remote desktop connection. I wish you all a good day. See you again.